Inwangsan is a low mountain. Inwangsan, on the other hand, is a liquid mountain. Inwangsan is the most dynamic of the 6 mountains in Seoul. The view here is beyond imagination. Bukhansan Bibong Ridge, which connects Boyeonbong, Munsobong, Bibong, and 족두리봉 to the north, is magnificent like a fortress in the sky. To the east, the foot of Bukhansan slices and reaches to the city center, then Namsan peaks, and to the west Ansan and Hongje-dong, and the Han River flow in the distance. Gichabawi Rock is a lucky ridge with a length of about 30 meters. However, Inwangsan is a mountain with a lot of cost effectiveness to obtain. Climbing is not difficult. It is easily accessible by public transportation, such as Seoul Subway Line 3 and bus. The closer you get to the top of the Inwangsan Mountain, the wider the view becomes. The view of Seoul is outstanding. The scenery of Bukhansan, Namsan, Gwanaksan, and the Han River, in harmony with the city center, shows the true essence of Seoul, which is called the sacred place in the world. The most spectacular view of Inwangsan Mountain is the train rock road. On the train rock path, you can go down by holding a rope along the bedrock. Around the train rock, there are pine trees that bend here and there. It feels comfortable when bent. The blue light of the bent pine trees around the train rock looks even darker